What if there was a way to reduce cycle times by 80% and increase production by as much as 500%? What if there was a way to increase tool life by as much as 90%, reduce maintenance costs, and dramatically increase the life of your machine? There is. CAMWorks Volumill, the ultra-high-performance toolpath generator for 2.5 and 3-axis rough milling. CAMWorks Volumill uses the latest technology to generate ultra-high-performance toolpaths. High-speed machining is possible using any type of machine and material using CAMWorks Volumill ultra-high-performance toolpaths. Virtually all 2D and 3D part geometry can be machined using CAMWorks Volumill, and it's fully integrated with CAMWorks, which makes it easy to learn and easy to use. Parameter settings provide the control you need to machine virtually any part out of any material. CAMWorks Volumill is ideal for roughing multi-surface models, like plastic injection mold cavities and cores. After the initial roughing, a smaller step-up value is used to produce a near-net part shape, ideal for final preparation of the part before finishing. Only the areas with stock remaining are machined, further reducing the cycle time. CAMWorks Volumill can help you to avoid broken tools and machine collisions, significantly reduce your maintenance costs, and dramatically increase the life of your machine. In this example, CAMWorks Volumill was used to machine a part from 10/18 steel with a 1-inch depth of cut at 9,000 RPM and 360 inches per minute. The speed and feeds used to machine this part were more than 3 times faster than the tool manufacturer recommended rate. The cycle time on this part was reduced by more than 80%, and the tool life increased by more than 70% while running dry, without coolant. Ready to experience high-speed machining? Contact your local CAMWorks dealer today.